Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll learn how to change the language in the PictureThis app. Whether you've just installed it or want to switch to your preferred language, first, open the PictureThis app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner of and tap on the More option. Then, at the top right corner, you'll see a small settings icon. Tap on it to open the app settings. After that, find and select the option labeled Set Language. From the list of available languages, choose the one you prefer to use in the app. Finally, restart your PictureThis app to apply the new language settings successfully. And that's it. In this video, we covered how to change the language in the PictureThis app step by step, so you can enjoy the app in your chosen language. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.